Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add credit card payment gateway in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, make sure that you are using your WordPress admin panel, and from there, we will need just to go to the WooCommerce payment settings. So basically, all we need to do is to go to the settings in this sub menu and click on it. And basically, after that, we will find this payment gateway or payments tab. So from here, we can find, for example, all the these payments gateway. And if you don't know, find any payments gateway that you are using, for example, you can start taking payments in check, direct bank transfer, and it is what you want. And basically, for each payments gateway, you will need to set up your payments gateway. So basically, you will be needing to add accounts, or for example, you can only have Stripe or PayPal. So basically, there are some gateway that wouldn't be enabled here, and basically, you will need to start adding extensions to your WooCommerce. So basically, I'm just going to type payments gateway so we can see all the different payments gateway that exist in WooCommerce. So I'm just going to type payments or gateway, and from here, uh, let's just type gateway for example, and let's see for any result. So I'm just going to type gateway and maybe they will give us our payments. So basically here you will find the cloud gateway, WordPress gateway, and all the gateway that you can start accepting payments from. And as we did before, you will simply need to go to settings and payments and start enabling any payments gateway that you would like. For example, I already have this Stripe. You will need just to click here on enabled, but first make sure that you have finished the setup so you can set up your accounts and stuff. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.